Hello neighbors, it's Colby here with a quick video on the basics of using our telephone entry system at our Marteau Lakes gates. Let's start with how our guests should use the gate. First, if the guest knows your directory code, they can simply enter it on the system keypad to place a call. If the guest does not know your directory code, they must check the directory and find the code assigned to you. They simply use the A and Z buttons to locate your name in the directory. Once your name is displayed, your guest should press the call button and the system will dial your number. That's it for now. Hope this helped.